Hello, babies.
Hello.
Hi.
Wait, should we do the sub thing?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
ready?
Sup.
Hello, my babies. We're back with Brother Swole and
Hello.
Girlfriend Swole. Well, not my girlfriend, though. What should we call you?
I'm not sure. I was gonna say swollen, but that doesn't make sense because then it would be swollen.
Brother's Girlfriend Swole.
Squirrel.
Mama's back with Brother Swole.
Yeah, and my girlfriend Rose.
Rose swole.
You want to tell them what we're doing?
Yeah, so in this episode, we're gonna be doing a sibling tag and making some gingerbread houses, judged by yours truly.
So the criteria I'm going to judge them based on is the wow factor, the structure, and the decoration.
Let's go.
Let's do this.
Oh, and we're going to be answering questions. I forgot to add that.
Yeah.
Or did you say that?
I said sibling tag, so
Okay.
yeah.
If you guys don't know what the sibling tag is, it's basically where we just answer questions.
So the first question is, who is more jacked?
Like in terms of muscle mass, probably me. Makes sense.
Scientifically.
Yeah, scientifically. Probably me.
Who's
Nice.
had more boyfriends or girlfriends?
Shit, I don't know.
I mean, I never had a girlfriend yet.
Or, well, you could just say
It says
partners.
or, I guess. Yeah, I don't know.
Well, okay, I've had 6 boyfriends.
Okay,
So-
I'm trying to think. I think 7.
7?
Yeah.
You player?
They didn't last very long.
Did you count me in there?
Yes, of course.
Okay.
So wait, you've had more then?
Yes.
Okay.
4-part question. Number 1, Brother Swole, are you proud of your sister and her bad attitude level?
Yes, of course. I'm definitely proud.
I've never seen you get so sentimental. It's so weird.
Usually I'm like, yeah, whatever.
Number 2, Mama Swole, have you ever regretted becoming a YouTuber or had moments when you wanted to stop doing it?
Yes. When I get assholes that leave mean comments. But the positives outweigh the negatives, so I ain't quitting.
Number 3, Brother Swole,
Yeah.
was Mama Swole a good sister growing up? And were there ever moments or stories of you two helping the other get through something tough in life?
Yeah, I think. Wait, what was the first part? We definitely helped each other growing up.
Was she a good sister growing up?
Yeah, I would say so.
Really?
Yeah. So like we fought a lot, like a lot. But overall, I mean, I think whenever I say like I needed help with like homework or something, you would usually help.
I did?
Yeah.
Were there ever moments / stories of you two helping the other one get through something tough in life?
Yeah. I mean, there's a lot of moments where, you know, it's just difficult stuff, but then we were there for each other.
Who has been in trouble the most?
I feel like you have.
I definitely have been in trouble the most. There was one time when I don't even know how old I was. It was maybe like 10 or something. She had this toy bank or something. I don't know. Like, it's where you kept all of your money, basically. I don't even know how much. It probably wasn't that much. It was probably like $200 or something.
Yeah.
Which, I mean, to a kid, that's a lot of money. I remember I stole all of it. And of course, I didn't ask. But I didn't even want to use it on anything. I just liked having money. And I liked looking at it. And I got in so much trouble for that.
Yeah.
And then I gave it back, of course, because you were like, where the heck's all my money?
Dude, how did I find out you stole it?
Probably because you looked and none of it was there.
Tell me we have a question for her.
Who was the favorite child growing up?
I knew you were gonna say that. Low key, I think you were his favorite.
Probably.
What is the best Christmas present you ever received from each other?
I think my favorite was when you got me those slippers. So thanks.
Yeah.
Thanks, bro.
Yeah.
Thanks.
What have you gotten?
I don't know.
It's really hard to remember a Christmas gift.
Yeah.
Like, from several years.
Yeah.
I guess a really good one is one that's memorable. So that's a good tip for Christmas.
So, but I don't have any.
Yeah,
memorable
so
for you.
then all of them
All
sucked.
of them sucked.
I don't know. Let's see. What have you gotten me?
I don't know.
Well, I guess that's that then.
That's that.
Did y'all fight a lot as little kids?
A
Yes.
lot. Yeah.
Yo, I used to beat the shit out of you. I'm so
Yeah.
sorry. I feel
mean-
so bad now.
I mean, we were just kids. It was when I was definitely younger than like 10.
Yeah.
One of the biggest fights I remember, I think I put on a bunch of pillows. I taped a bunch of pillows to my body
You
as
did?
armor. Yeah, it's like
remember
armor.
that.
And then you ripped them off really easily.
You
But,
gave me so many black eyes.
but I don't even remember those at all.
You don't?
I don't remember
He threw
any
a
of those.
boomerang at me.
When was that though? Like how old was I?
I don't know, but you threw a freaking boomerang at me.
Exactly though, but you don't know how old I was. I don't even remember it.
That's such a random thing. Like, oh yeah, one time I got hit in the face with a boomerang.
What do you and your sibling have in common?
We have a lot in common, I feel.
Yeah, we do.
I mean, we
Like?
both have similar
Sense of humor.
sense of humor, beliefs.
Beliefs, yeah. Appearance. Yeah, we look really
Yeah, we look a
similar.
lot alike.
What annoys you most about each other?
Damn, this is a fighting.
Yeah, they're like
It's a
trying to
fighting
get us to
question.
fight.
Yeah, fight again like when we were kids. You're gonna give me a black eye again.
No, with a boomerang.
The boomerang.
Anyway, they're like, what do you hate the most about each other? It's like, what?
Well, what annoys you the most
Okay.
about one another?
I don't know. I feel like in general I can be kind of impatient sometimes. So
Wait, no,
Like-
but like what annoys you that your sister does?
I don't know. There was one vacation where you got sunburnt, and I don't know why, but I got annoyed. I don't think it was because you got sunburnt though.
When we were in Mexico.
Yeah.
It's so mean.
I
I was so miserable.
I don't think it was because you got sunburnt though.
How annoying. She's miserable.
I don't think it was
Damn.
because you got sunburnt though. There was something else. Like
oh,
in
I
addition.
remember actually.
Okay, what
we
was
got
it?
in an argument. I forget why, but you swore at me.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we got into an argument. Probably about just some random stupid crap.
Yeah, probably.
So yeah, random stupid crap.
That's what annoys you about me.
Yeah.
I don't feel like anything really annoys me about you anymore.
Yeah.
Anymore.
When we were kids, you annoyed the out of me because you did it on purpose, dude.
Yeah, I would like to annoy people on purpose. When
You
you're
were
a
a
kid, that's
troll.
fun. Yeah, I was a troll
You were a
before
little
trolling
troll.
was even like a thing.
How have California laws concerning the pandemic affected your personal lives?
I used to go to the gym at my college campus. That changed because it closed, but I don't know. I guess eating inside, like the normal things.
I don't know. I guess the same, like you said, same as you. Also, I don't know, pretty lonely.
Yeah.
I'm like super lonely. Not right now, thankfully. But besides this, I'm like, I'm so alone. But that's normal, right? Everybody feels that, right?
You're not alone. I mean,
Yeah.
you might be lonely, and you might actually be alone, but
You're
you're
not
not alone.
truly alone.
You're not really alone. Reach out to someone.
Yeah. Wow, my house is falling apart.
Your side fell in. See that?
How do you cope getting through these difficult and unusual times?
Working out. I mean, it's pretty hard to work out whenever you're just at home because you're like, what's the point? Nobody's gonna see me anyway. A lot of people, it's like so they can impress people. So you gotta have intrinsic motivation. Not even for my looks, but for my health. I don't know, just do things that make you feel good. Take a break every now and then. It's alright.
Dude, I just saw me. I feel like I'm watching myself.
Like a reflection.
Yeah.
Dude, this looks terrible.
Uncle Swole? Question mark? Question mark? Does that mean like a boyfriend?
Oh, no, because like you're Mama Swole and I'm Brother Swole. So it's like I'm uncle.
Oh, yeah.
But I mean, technically, yeah.
So that makes me aunt?
Yeah,
I think.
I think.
Aunt-in-law Swole.
What do you like about your sibling?
I like that you're not an asshole. I'm really glad you're not an asshole.
And then about you, I don't know, we get along a lot better than when we were kids.
I know.
And then I guess we have things in common, so that helps too. Like we have things to talk about, and
Yeah,
I think we're both interested in what each other have to say. Like we both have a unique perspective.
I think so too.
Who can deadlift more?
You.
Yeah, definitely me. Like no offense, but
No
so
offense.
offended.
my best deadlift in the gym has been 405. It was questionable form, like probably some hitching. Outside of the, like in competition, I think like Reese 75, I want to say in competition. I'm not completely sure though.
Oh yeah, he was a powerlifter. In case you didn't know.
Yeah.
Who got the good genes?
I feel like we both did.
Yeah, no, I mean, I don't think that's really like a bragging thing. Whenever I see like in terms of athletics, because that's probably has the most bearing genetically, is like your athletic ability. In terms of athletics, I'd say we're like basically on par. Probably you slightly. I don't know.
I don't know either.
About the same.
About the same.
Cool, man. Mama Swole and Brother Swole. I got a question for Brother Swole about Mama Swole. Brother, our Mama Swole has such an awesome, sweet, kind, funny personality. Has she always been such a cool-ass chick? Has she always been this friggin' awesome?
Aww.
To other people, probably.
Yes.
Yeah. Other people, yeah, like her friends and like other people in her family.
But not to me.
Not always to me.
That's a good answer.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Nice.
I think.
Who would be more likely to win the Coach Greg Anabolic French Toast Challenge?
Do you know what that is?
Isn't that where you eat like a lot of French toast?
Like an eating competition, kind of?
Yeah. I feel like you would win.
Brother Swole. Coach Greg believes Mama Swole watches more YouTube videos than anyone else on YouTube. Do you watch YouTube regularly? And if so, who are your current top 3 channels?
Johnny Candido, Omar Esau, and probably Russell Orhe. Those three.
Your sister isn't one of them.
Oh, come on. Okay, so actually you would be in the top 3 instead. I watch more of your videos than any of those 3, like combined. So yeah, she's in the top 3.